Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start now, settle into a quiet space and minimize distractions so your mind can register subtle impressions. Once seated, state your intention aloud and write it down. This aligns attention and prepares your unconscious. Then do the breathing cycle. Inhale for 4, hold 4, exhale 6, repeat 4 times. This shifts physiology and quiets chatter. Make sure to keep eyes gently closed or softly focused on one point. You're opening a receptive state, not forcing visions. Let impressions come. Once the breath has calmed you, deepen focus by repeating a short prayer or sacred word for 5 to 10 minutes to anchor attention. Visualize a gentle light or a doorway ahead. This gives your mind a symbol to project into and receives imagery more readily. Make sure to observe sensations without analysis. If an image appears, let it unfold slowly and note colors, emotions, or phrases. Continue to breathe naturally and allow breaks. Visions often begin as subtle shifts, not fully formed scenes. When you finish, open your eyes slowly and write down or voice record every detail for 5 minutes. Specifics fade quickly, so capture images, words, and emotions immediately. Then compare those notes to your initial intention and look for repeated symbols or themes. These patterns show meaning over time. Make sure to ground yourself by eating or moving gently afterward. If you feel anxious or confused, troubleshoot by returning to breathing, reducing session length to 5 to 10 minutes, and seeking guidance from a trusted spiritual mentor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.